What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a good night, day, morning, evening, whatever you're doing. I hope you're doing it good. So we were at the park the other day, and I didn't have my P1000. I didn't have my Super Zoom on me, but my wife started noticing these like small objects flying behind planes and above them. And so I was able to zoom in. I had my other camera with like a 12 to 40 on there. I couldn't really zoom in that close to see exactly what it was, but I thought it was pretty interesting. And we saw multiple of these, and we even saw some by themselves. So not exactly sure what they are, but I thought it was pretty interesting, so I figured I'd share it with you. Hope you have a good one.